The manufacturing process of bricks typically involves the following steps. Preparation of raw materials. Clay is usually the main material for making bricks. It's excavated, cleaned, and then mixed with other materials like sand, coal ash, or shale to achieve desired properties. Moulding. The mixed clay is shaped into bricks using various methods. The most common method is extrusion, where the clay is forced through a die to form a continuous column, which is then cut into individual bricks. Drying. The freshly molded bricks contain a significant amount of water. They are dried either in the open air, in drying sheds, or in drying chambers. Slow drying helps prevent cracking.
Firing. Firing of bricks, also known as brick firing or brick kilning, is a crucial step in the manufacturing process. It involves heating the bricks in a kiln to high temperatures to harden them. The firing process drives off any remaining water, chemically changes the clay minerals, and binds the particles together, resulting in a durable and solid brick. The temperature and duration of firing can affect the final quality, strength, and color of the bricks.
The firing process involves 3 stages: preheating, firing, and cooling. Cooling. After firing, the bricks are allowed to cool down before they can be handled and used for construction. Sorting and inspection. Once the bricks have cooled, they are sorted and inspected for defects. Bricks that meet quality standards are kept for sale or construction, while defective ones are discarded. Packaging and distribution. The final step involves packaging the bricks for transportation and distribution to various construction sites. Keep in mind that different regions and manufacturers might have variations in their brick-making processes based on available resources, technology and desired brick characteristics.